American Idol with your castings, Toby and Purple Wurple. I mean Grape. Whatever her name is. Let's just move on.
Am I first?
Yes. Yeah, you are.
Okay, is it time for me to... Do I face the camera?
No, you face us.
But then my butt's gonna... Oh, yeah, my butt's gonna be in camera.
No, the camera is gonna move.
Oh. No, don't face me!
Okay, wait, it will just face this way, okay?
Wait, why don't the judge...
You do face the camera, sorry, sir.
But.
Okay, what is your name, sir?
Grizz! And I'm in a tutu!
And what song will you be singing?
Call me maybe.
Isn't that for a girl?
No!
Just met you. This is crazy. But here's my number. So call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby. But here's my number.
I am the stage director, and on behalf of all the people that are watching this, I think the judges should disqualify this bear.
What do you think, Grape?
I think we should disqualify him because he's disgusting.
Yeah. Beep.
Wait, oh God, I'm gonna have a baby. Hey, it looks like you need a new judge.
Get out of here. Okay,
Hey.
we'll be back in these few minutes with a new judge.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Thanks, big bro, for letting me spend a little time with you. Who cares, little brother? I'm a big brother. Okay, who's next? What's your name?
Miss Pigalot.
Oh, okay, that's a very fantastic name. Okay, let's welcome. Wait, no, don't start singing yet. What song will you be singing?
With Your Love by Cheryl Lloyd.
Okay, this is Wolf Idol. You can start in 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on. I'll just judge this myself. Okay, stop it. Okay, stop it. Cue it. Oh. Okay.
Am I still on? Am I still on?
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Coco.
Okay, okay.
I'm going to be singing Lips Are Moving by Meghan Trainor.
Okay. well, Flora.
Go by Toby if you're gonna be. Oh no, don't go by Toby. Toby's my boyfriend. Don't do that.
I was over you, but I came out to say hi. I will let my index out of the skeleton decide.
Stop it!
Let me just put back all my clothes.
Toby, can you call security to kick that pig out?
Yeah. Security.
Yes, Toby.
Bring it security. Code pink.
The pig again?
Yes.
They got my clothes.
I'm actually listening.
Okay. Can I start again, Toby?
Yeah. Finish where you started. Wait, what's happening? No! We'll be back for part 2.